following installation shows a Fostoria-designed thermoforming line with a pick-and-place system, shortwave infrared oven, transfer conveyor to drop heated product on the mold, and a 400-ton press to form the parts. This video will show all the stages of the operation, which in real time takes 60 seconds for a part-to-part index cycle. The loading of the part from the stack to the oven conveyor is accomplished with a series of needles and suction cups that is able to pick up a variety of products. The locations of the needles and suction cups can be adjusted for different product sizes. Every line can be loaded manually or automatically, either from pallets or from moldable rolls using a pull-to-length system. The conveyor indexes the part into the Fostoria shortwave infrared oven. The oven system has multiple zones with closed-loop control. Each zone can be independently adjusted for precise heating. Heated product is indexed out of the oven and taken by the transfer conveyor so it can be dropped on the mold and formed by the press. The press tonnage can be adjusted up to 400 tons from the HMI operator station. The press parameters, such as size and opening, can be customized depending on product size and tooling requirements. An additional stripping circuit can be added to the press to assist in opening the tool. Fostoria Thermoforming Systems are frequently installed at Tier 1 automotive suppliers to assist in the production of a variety of automotive components such as headliners, floor liners, and other moldable interior and exterior products. Oven systems are also available with different types of heating methods, such as medium wave infrared or high velocity hot air ovens. Fostoria can combine different heating methods in order to heat individual materials in an optimal way, thus reducing cycle time. Fostoria offers free product testing to determine the best heating process for your application. Please contact us to start this process.